play P baro ni ptang so bhai P sha katup ko bo mata ka jan met shobin pash ki ku bor ki bamna I petrai ki mat pekong san Yakran Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi bat kinong trei ki bla palai emi ki brio ki bla sakut hakajaka baklam katan ha Uttarakhand Penjalan ke sorkar yak skim PMGKY sana kebentasan snem bansam au haus ki brio beduk malau benai Penlong yak jing elang hapdeng ke sorkar bat kiseng bapeniat yak petroleum ban penbet yak jinglong jingman ke bedai bat ke jingwan penpoi umpiang petrol syakajela Penlong Menteri Ketenak Social Welfare ia kejenilang kemiknya kaba arsmi halor kiskim sorkar hajat Shillong. Batlap lia perdaya ka Viksit Bharat Sankal Yatra ha Southwest Garo Hills Ampati. Ki khubor ki babnia. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ulaya ro ye kinong lek pelat im ki bla la ban se ya baro sau puengut kinong trei ki bla sakut na ka jeng klem ka seliara tunnel ha Uttarakhand la kumba khat nyo sngi menta hinden kesngi palat kumba sau spa kenta hadien pa kinong lek pelat im jong ka jela ki la job ka jeng lek sei bat pelat im ya baro kinong trei ki bla sakut Kumshi benta jong ka tunnel ke berang don hapdeng ka jingshna na silkiara shabarkot kala khalam no ka khat artrik mentau benai na kedau ka jing tua khindo hakaba kinong trei kila sakut shapo tang shulala pelat im kinong trei Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ulai krem kinong lek pelat im ling ba jong pon bat wala kalish phang ka jinglong jingman jongki Ka sorkar kala penjalan ya ke Perdhan Menteri Garib Kalian An Yojana sana kebentasan snem nadu ke shitarik kala lingkot 8,000 pesau. Hapo jong kani ke skim san kilo ukau on IA malau benai syapalat kumba prapway klur ngut ki brio ki beduk hakari. Haba ai jeng kren sekila patai kubor hanong ba Delhi. Menteri Ketenak patai kubor ke sorkar pedeng Anurag Singh Thakur ulapan benar syapangka jing shimrai jong ke kenhun menteri ke sorkar pedeng halor jong kani.
For us, money is not a problem, budget is not a problem, providing free food grain is not a problem. That is the priority for us. So it is the priority from Prime Minister Modi to continue to the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana for the next 5 years. Whatever the cost will be, as of today, it stands at 11,80,000 crore rupees for 80 crore plus Indians who will benefit out of this. 5 kilo per person, as well as the Antyodaya families will keep getting 35 kilos per family per month.
Hakabede bakajing ujor belai da ka North East Petroleum Mazdur Union ka bakentu banle AA kamkloi bat ban penlong ya kajing tokit ka bakerpang halor ka jing syak berngem bat ka jing syak penshitom jong ki nong nya bat nong bot kaliket umpniang halor ka jing keno ba ki le thok Hariboi district ka sorkar Meghalaya lingba jong ka tanat food civil supplies but consumer affairs kala penlong ya kajing elang bakerke mentakasngi Commissioner but Secretary jong ka Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ulapan ya kajingelang ha Circuit House nongpo da kajingitrelang ha pedeng ka sorkar bat kinong don benta banwat ya kalat kalenti ban penbet ya ka huri hurah ka bedai ba kajing shalan ya ka umpniang petrol ha Meghalaya
First of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number two is that we are working to find a solution. Number three, over the last 2 days, more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Garo Hills and Khasi Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
1st of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number 2 is that we are working to find a solution. Number 3 is that more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Garo Hills and Khasi Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
Haka jengi kren bat kilat patai kubor hinden kesngi Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare iba polling do leitho shapang ka jengi lang ba arsngi belapan long State Convention Center Shillong. Menteri ula ong ba ka jengi tai kala long ka basaiso ka bakintiu ka jengi trelang kum ka kinhon. Ula ong ba kala don ka jing shim kya ban kintiu ya kum kini ka jengi sam jing mud bat ka jing pan sngow ya ka jing don kampan kintop lang ki brio ki betbit ki banyarap ban pendap kloy ya ki skim ki belabuk por daki tenat na Delhi. Palat ars pangut ki opisar ki bana ki directorate district bana ki block leidon bentalang ha kani ki jingi piliu jingmut halor bon ki mat.
We are very thought-provoking, very fruitful, and helped us build ourselves as a team. And the aim being to also increase the frequency of such exchanges in future. There is also the felt need to engage professionals who can liaise with the ministries in Delhi to facilitate early and prompt clearance of the various schemes, most of which get caught up due to our inability to meet the timelines required.
Deputy Commissioner Jonka Southwest Garo Hills RP Marak hine kasngi ulapli perda ya ka Viksit Bharat Sankal Yatra Habado Multi Facility Center Southwest Garo Hills Ambati. Ya kani ka program lapan long da ka District Rural Development Agency Southwest Garo Hills Ambati kabayeng gum kasaki halor ka jingshim kia ban kintiu ya kari. La don ro ka jing pen ko burom bat ka jing sam ki khusnam ye kin jing ai jing shakri ki barat ba ka bala bot pat da ki jing rwai ba ki jing shat kat kum ka kol shor ka bala ai kerteng dharti kar kahe pukar ki kinong ishim benta ki la yo ru ya ka lat ban sam ki jing sham ka jong ki ha ka benta jong ka pukram ka meri kahani meri zubani. Ka HYC kelakan tu ya ke sarkar jilla ban shim ye ki lat kilenti ban pentikna baki yeng shari fast track court lani special court ki balakmi lenti ban pentre kam hapo ke dream project na ka benta ka jing bishar ki mukot duma hapo ke NDPS Act day ban thau no kham kloy kham tam na ka benta ka East Khasi Hills district. Haba ai jing krench ke la patai kubor hadien jong ka jing let ye kendo ya uba polling do Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ne kasngi president ke HYC iba roy ku par syndrome ila ong bayamenta ompat don ki special court ban bishar ki mukot duma hapo ke NDPS Act kumta ki mukot duma ki shu sakut da bun snem pat kan ni ka pendu jing kermen wat ya ki nong sakhi pat ki pat ba ki bayarap ya ki bor sarkar ha ka jing ele persha ya udrok.
That looks good only on paper, but it is not being implemented as desired by the people of the state. We have seen in the Dream project that the state government will be creating the special courts or the fast track court in order to trial the NDPS cases in the state. But it has been so many months since the Dream project was launched. Not even a single fast track court was created for the trial exclusively for NDPS cases. We have made a demand before the Social Welfare Minister that if you have written in the Dream mission that special courts will be created, we want to see action on the field, so that especially in East Khasi Hills district.
Hadian Shisngi ba ka North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union kalapan bena ban pensange ban penpoi petrol sya ka jala Meghalaya na ka daw jong ka jing tuklar ki pulit ka jala ka Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya pat kalawan sya khamat ban kershan ya ki pulit halor ka ni da ka bakam ba ki pulit ki tre ya la ka kam ban talasi ki kam shalan bea ni ka petrol ha ka surok ba National Highway 6. President ka Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya uba Kennedy Kriya Mulong bahadian paka kubor kala sapriang syapang ka jingrai sa ngi trekam ka Mazdoor Union na do ka arp kundai terik metau benai ki petrol pom ha kanong ba kila sakhi ka jingkap nya namar ki pat ba ki tieng bayo ki do umpniang na do meta kasngi Dah ka bekintui kipat ba ban onom lamwer ubak kriam ula ong baka jela kadang la ban pendap ya umpnyang na ka bentar lai sausngi par hadien jong kan Singapore ka sarkar ha ringkat pat ki company umpnyang kinwa dia kalat kelenti ban pentikna ya ka jingwan penpoi umpnyang.
Nomor yang ni ke sokar, yang ni ke company, kalau bok ini nomor ke petrol, diesel, yang serak kini kedai ke essential commodities. Kibani haban penpoi support dah, kamu penpoi ukha, udai, wata, ujur kemudian. Te ke sokar kami kalau simkia, ini simkia, bah company ke simkia ngin penpoi. Lalu kam buat ke police escort dengan orang menin. Kadang-kadang ngapil beng lipat ba, kombolong menin terpom lah jam lot, ke sorok lah jam lot, baru penyang lah, kombolong syuk, te Soba ko pa ba wat choy ka jing sisya nang ta nailong panikat marka ni ka kalong biet tente
Unong yalam ka Trinamool Congress umukul sangma ula kantat ya ka jing kno ha ka bedei ba ka jing penisno ka jong u bat ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party da ka baong ba ka de ka khubor ka balarem bat ula banru ba ka jing sno ka jong u bat ka seng TMC haswa ka Meghalaya Assembly Election 2008 pulai ka balade ka longbet ha ka jingkut jingmut ka jong u ban i no ya ka seng Congress Usang mau la ong shushu ba nadu usnem 2000 kat kendai 2000 arpo ula don hi gejing temu ban i no ka seng Congress na ki daw ki babon kumta ka jing kno ba jing ken tho ki briu halor ki e belaja ka long ka babakla
Political discussion, there is no harm in listening to them because at that point of time I was deciding to leave Congress. Let me be very frank. At that point of time, 2020, 21, that time I was already deciding to leave the Congress because of various reasons. Which I have shared with media. And even before that, there were emissaries were sent. Even before 2014, emissaries were sent. These are long stories, old stories. Long and old. It's not in one particular year. But then I think they are aware of my stand. They are aware of my stand.
Da ka jingtmu ban pensap yang jingtip habedeng nong song snong halor ke project prepare jong ka sarkar pedeng kham tam ha ki jaka nong kendong ki ba kham don kam ya ka jingkiu pat ki jing pen pha ha ki liang prepare kumta ka sarkar kala pelait ya ka hamara viksit bharat sankal yatra hinnin kasngi hadulong nar bat ha umsneng ha ka office jong ka umsneng and umling community and rural development Hakanik program lai don ringkat langru additional secretary katnat rural development ikong Carolyn Kongwar lembat deputy commissioner karipoi district u arpit upadya u Raja Brahman ubadei u project director jongka DRDA iba Eric Calvin Khari ibadei BDO ka umling jongka CNRD na lor kiwei Kani kalong ka khubor ka basngau tanan ha ka ba weu khna samla uba khatnyo snam ka erta na new nongston ula pen e la ka sap ka phong ha ka liang ka kam kilan met lani ka calisthenics skill but kumta uniu khna ula yo ka jing khat sngoba na ka Meghalaya Gymnastic Association ban yes no bat ka kan hon khnang ban yo ya ka jing pentbet sho ha ka ni ka sap ka phong uniu samla udei ru uwe ni ki khot ka kan hon nongston youth calisthenics Shushu uniu kena lembat ki wegi de khot kilas dang ki jingpen kre ka jongki na ka benta ka limpung jinga kun ka bansa longshan ha Guwahati ha ka khandai tare ku no pra u president ke NYC iba aibor lang marshallong ila ong ba idap da ka jing kemen ya ka jing sha ajir me ban sha ka ni ka limpung da ka boong ba ka ni ka long ka jing so sarong ya ka kenhun NYC hi baro ko we
Jadi sang asu haringkai ke video masih upload apa Instagram tengok poi pekat ban poi hidup ta poi tata gymnastik cakap yang anda berarti komen ban yo join lang ke gymnastik game kalau kaburan ya kan ke kunjungi bu ba kelas nang ta lekai gymnastik tidak berarti komen ya para lekai lang bengi walau cakap siapa gymnastik Hai wada kalong ka kunun ka barit bekna Pemban udah dikot jengi wada long ka kunun ka barit bekna Nisu pundit bawa syakot capo ka gymnastik
mentang ini pet ya kejeng long jaman kasi miteng shalong kejeng shit kalong 4.9 degree Celsius kejeng kriat kalong khat 4.1 degree Celsius kejeng singam kau kalong san pulai na kasis pa men stabat san pun na kasis pa janmet kasun beneng kan rang bat kalak bandon ru kejeng tabel o ke malu malagi kat tu kan iki jaka Shoban poi jo buku jong tup kubor yang baik biang sesi ni ya kimat bakongsan Yakran Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi bekinong trei ki bla pelat emi ki brio ki bla sakut ha ke jaka beklem ke tanun ha Uttarakhand. Penjalan ke sorkar ya ke skim PMGKY sana ke bentasan snem mansam yau khaus ki brio beduk manlau benai. Penlong ya kejenglang ke pedang ke sorkar bak kiseng ba penyat ya ke petroleum ban penbet ya ke jenglong cuman ke bedai bak jengwan penpoy yang petrol sya ke jela. Penlong Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ke jenglang kemi penya ke ba arsengi halor ke skim sorkar hasilong. Batla plie perdai ke Viksit Bharat Sankal Yatra ha South West Garo Hills Ambati. Di parlok dak itu ki kubor la poisa bakut jang tup kubor jang mata ka janmin. Hadu meni syam yang pila shay gasi kublai pi paro.
And Arunachal Chief Minister and US Ambassador to India inaugurates Hump World War II Museum